They are my promoters. They are my agents, and they are my they do free advert for me using their internet.
Ghana is not a land for you to be pouring libation. That's true. Stop pouring libation on our soil. Stop it immediately. You are not a Ghanaian.
His Royal Majesty King Tr0ubIe II has directed me to write to inform you and also seek for your assistance by putting the above program to a halt as soon and as what possible.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Members Baby. I will be a Minchaka CNMO. But also subscribe and subscribe with the 2 man on Sa Akabi. Igbo Hineo said, dear Bayo, say, Papa, ya, why did you say we are Shisha Chaya? Me, who know Ghanaian maintenance. Nancy, and nurture me now, baby, young festival. Now, we are soon. Mr. Wahine, Papa, the winner, and so both now in Kofo, Nimyantia, Mantse. Ni takia ye picture na mani aje sa nkofo nim me nyankrani but unim uya wahina wo nyansa sebi omani prosper. I'm telling you, this man, this king, this our king Tr0ubIe, he has made Ghana proud. He has made the Ghana state proud. What the letter ba when we say papa the invitation from our Ghana people no was a massa don't dare indeed festival biawa yan komre ko timra.
The HRM King Tr0ubIe II has, listen, now the king of the Ghana state is speaking. His Royal Majesty King, this is a proper one, okay? The HRM, His Royal Majesty King Tr0ubIe II has directed me to write to inform you and also seek for your assistance by putting the above program to a halt as soon and as what possible. Point, Ghanaians in Nigeria have mentioned any leader in Nigeria to either qualified or not qualified. These stupid, foolish Nigerian guys come and sit on the internet and then they speak rubbish. Listen.
Ghana, we have more than enough festivals in Ghana to chop. What do you mean? The culture of Ghana, your money baby to say papa we ever dilutuna, you be laughing at the wrong side of our mouth. Igbo for minimum ye, omo yen krofo omo ye to say person muro, omo si unwan, omo yo dwet, ebeka dompe no mato to atwene. Nigeria popo omo pa masem. Man no yes we Ghana o. When Ghana no dey fi Nigeria no dey Ghana no en kwasasamo. Na we nyina chi no, one man I got cough. I don't know the Igbo assembly by what can some Ghana is not a land for you to be pouring libation. That's true. Stop pouring libation on our soil. Stop it immediately. You are not a Ghanaian. Yeah. And also, I'm told you say you want to do Yam Festival. Yeah. With all due respect to you and to the Igbos, cancel that Yam Festival. There is nothing called Yam Festival in Ghana. You don't farm yam in Ghana. Yes. You don't have yam in Ghana. Yeah. Go back to Nigeria and do your yam festival. Not even in your house that you live can you hold any festival called yam festival. To foreigners, whether Chinese, Americans, Indians, Lebanese, all other countries that are living in Ghana, we are appealing to you. If you come here to do business, do proper business, pay proper taxes, yes, pay proper water bill, yes, pay proper electricity bill, yes, and then
you have come here to make money. But we know when you make the money, you take it out. You don't leave the money here. Yes. Because most of you repatriate your business profits and you leave Ghana with us with the debt on ourselves. We also want to call for it that any foreigner, by mistake, if you kill a Ghanaian citizen, you will not be free.
Yes. Yes, one. Mami can be bencho. Near Ayara Kofo cannot tiase. Ayara Ghanaian cannot tiase. I say we don't need you to come and pour like bitch on our land. Here, Asasia ye waso. Spiritually, so when me are owning the land. Now my foreigner banner be owning the land and you are doomed for life. What the man is doing, you are not. You might think, say, it's a hatred stuff that I'm doing. Debbie, say, and yama Igbo papa we ebe jina hoye king. Na sabe or carrying the king na. Or china na put your friends and Niger form him ebeba. We will lose our identity as Ghanaians. So it's not me fighting one man. I'm fighting foreigners invading our culture and calling themselves kings. The only king we have in Ghana is Osetutu, whether you like it or not. Or who wants to continue and say Osetutu near about paramount chiefs and say about sub chief division and all that. Osetutu, the king of Ghana. Eti yam pene amasabe obia even the krom kwa yam recognize na emba be holding no say boy hene emfa. Now when you let you know, Papa name say ohia psychiatric. What can be bien.
Most of all the kings I've visited, Kofrodia King, ran Ghana, that is what everybody knows me for. That humility, that respect to my elders and to the kings, that I submit to your authority. I also display the same culture of Igbo, because Igbos, our culture is all about humility. Our culture is all about respect. Our culture is all about, being humble to elders, and I display that humility before the whole world. And a lot of people are applauding us for that because that is our trademark. And after that, we bowed and we left. We hesitated. And nobody denied me. There was nothing like deny. The king has never ever denied me of not having a handshake with him. And it's not everybody that go there had a handshake with the king. Hundreds of kings that came there, hundreds of king mothers, hundreds of great men and women that came there. It's not all of them. I had a handshake with the king. But I'm so surprised. A couple of minutes after that, the news stories from some Ghanaian bloggers was the king denied having a handshake with me, that the Michelle Palace disgraced me, that the Michelle Palace didn't allow me and all that. This is 100% lies and the fallacy from bloggers that are looking for content. It's 100% lies. Nothing like the kingdom disgracing me or denying me. No. Number 3, bloggers are looking for money from internet. Sometimes they give wrong informations for them to get followers. Number 2, I've been watching so many bloggers putting my picture on their stories. When I listen to the story from beginning to end, they will not even say anything about me, but just my picture is there. So apparently they're using my picture to get followers. So right now, the new name I tag to the bloggers they are my promoters. They are my agents. And they are my, they do free advert for me using their internet and using their whatever to do free advert, because I didn't do anything wrong. I did. Now if I cough, they'll say you cough too much. If I tell somebody good morning, they say Ezigbo twisted the good morning. Why can't you just say good morning like that? I throw my hand, they say he's insulting people. So to me, I'm enjoying it. To me, I'm not disturbed about that. To me, I am not blaming nobody. To me, I don't see it that they know what they're doing. For Christ told Father in heaven, forgive them for they don't know what they're doing. So I thank them.
I want to know how. I see a festival yes, you man festival here. Oh, yeah, festival here. We don't need you in our land. Master, go to your hometown. Go to your country and do your thing there. Aha, Ghana, we are proud people. We know what we are doing. We don't need you. We don't need you. If you have money, come and invest. But don't bring your whatever. Na me musani yiri po kasa fantinipi Jimmy. Kunu Jimmy wa ba be jira ha se wo ye king. Wo ye king, why king? Ogwani krom no ko is ha king no. Amba ma so kasa Jimmy sika kakra be ma wunti. Who Jimmy. Now no longer, no wonder. Papa we are from game star okotutu sika na go from. Now Ghana for ye Jimmy nti obi ba no fi ho de sika na ewia aduane ye de wia kwasi asam kwa. Igbo king be careful. Me ma warning. Wo get rough at the end be on. Me ya sure say untimi sika na bi. And a foreigner bia so why be so be sign a court ade oboa. Yam pekin bia wa ha. We don't need you. I Xposed GHFM members subscribe share. Mnitumana sakamano si.